Tesla's Semi is finally ramping up production at a game-changing pace. What was once doubted for its practicality is now proving to be the most efficient electric truck on the market. With a 500-mile range, blistering acceleration, and operating costs far lower than diesel, the Semi is set to revolutionize trucking. But the real shocker? Tesla is reportedly aiming to assemble a Semi in just 5 to 10 minutes, thanks to its cutting-edge new factory. Could this be the final blow to diesel trucks? Since its launch, the Semi has impressed with its real-world performance. PepsiCo's fleet has already confirmed its efficiency, with some units covering over 1,000 miles daily. The key to its success is an 850 kilowatt-hour battery consuming just 1.7 kilowatt-hour per mile, making it far cheaper to operate than any diesel alternative. And Tesla isn't stopping. Their upcoming versions will feature advanced 4,680 battery cells, increasing range and efficiency even further. Financially, the Semi is a no-brainer for trucking companies. With charging costs nearly half of diesel refueling, Tesla estimates savings of up to $150,000 within 3 years. Maintenance costs are also significantly lower due to fewer moving parts and over-the-air software updates. While the initial price is steep, around $250,000 for the 500-mile model, the long-term savings make it a smart investment. The biggest challenge so far has been production capacity. Until now, Semis were built in limited numbers at Tesla's Nevada facility, but that's about to change. Tesla's new dedicated factory aims to produce up to 50,000 units per year, with a production speed that could rival mass-market car assembly. If Tesla truly achieves a Semi every 5 minutes, it would completely reshape the trucking industry. Tesla is also putting the Semi through extreme testing to ensure durability. Recently, a unit was spotted undergoing harsh winter trials in Alaska, proving that it can handle icy conditions as well as any diesel truck. A newly seen shorter roof variant has sparked speculation, but Tesla confirmed it's simply an aerodynamic adjustment for different trailer types. Meanwhile, demand for the Semi is soaring. Companies like Watt EV, which recently ordered 40 units, see it as the only electric truck capable of handling long-haul operations efficiently. The company plans to build extensive charging infrastructure to support the growing fleet, further solidifying the Semi's place in the industry. The real game changer, however, could be Tesla's push toward full self-driving technology for the Semi. Automation could ease driver shortages and make long-haul trucking safer and more efficient. While regulatory hurdles remain, Tesla's track record suggests that autonomous Semi fleets are not a matter of if, but when. With mass production on the horizon, the Tesla Semi isn't just competing with diesel, it's on track to replace it entirely. Lower costs, unmatched efficiency, and groundbreaking automation make it the future of freight transport. The real question now: how much longer can diesel trucks survive?